Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create your roofing contractor pro forma financial projections. And in order to be able to have your pro forma financial projections done quickly and easily, I do recommend using a template. So for this video, I am going to be using my roofing contractor pro forma financial projection template that is for sale in my roofing contractor business plan template. So the way this video is going to work out is, first and foremost, I am going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of information about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're going to go through the Excel file that is customized for the roofing contractor industry. I'm going to show you all how to quickly and easily update that, so you'll have your 12-month pro forma profit and loss statement, as well as your 5-year projections ready in a timely manner. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations of writing your own business plan, regardless if it is with or without a template, if you want to just have it just done with and you want somebody to write it for you, then pick up the phone, give me a call, somebody text, send me email. Be delighted to write a custom business plan for your roofing contractor business for you. Also, I am a published author on Amazon.com, and yes, guess what? Those books are based on business plan writing. So if you're looking for some books on business plan writing, check me out on Amazon. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So my academics are aligned very well with my business plan writing specialties. And then finally, if you do need some help with the financial projections, your business plan is already taken care of, I'd be delighted to do that for you. All right, that is enough of the infomercial. So if you are, if you want to go ahead and, well, my roofing contractor business plan template, it comes with 2 documents. It comes with the Word document, and the Word document is right here. And Word document, say hi, take a bow. All right, so that's my Word document. I got a separate tutorial on how to use that, but this video right here, we're going to be focused on my Excel file. So this Excel file is, like I said, customized to the roofing industry, and it comes with 4 tabs. It's your information tab, your projections tab, profit and loss tab. Your profit and loss tab is broken into quarters, so quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4, and so on. And then also it has your next 5 years profit and loss projections as well. So all the information that you're going to want to change is going to be on your information page. So when you make changes to the information page, all of your pro forma financial projections are going to update for you. And on your information page, I do break this up into categories as well. Right here is going to be your weekly sales. Make this weekly sales. And we go ahead and spell correctly. So this will be your weekly sales, and this will be your weekly sales as well. So these are your weekly sales right here. And then right here is going to be your labor monthly. This is a section for you to go ahead and update your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost right here. And then we've got your miscellaneous information, your growth rates, and then your loan information. Anywhere you see these darker colored cells, that is in cells you can change. Anything else, don't change it. All right, so the first section right here is going to be your weekly sales. The way it's broken out into your variable costs, your number of roofs that you're going to be installing or repairing on a weekly basis, and the average price per roof. And this number right here, leave it at 1. And so for this example right here, I'm saying that our roofing company is going to do 2 roof installations. Average price per roof is about $7,500, and the variable cost is 40%. If our variable cost is closer to 50%, then change that to 50%, and again, the numbers update accordingly. But I'm going to keep that at 40%. Next is your labor. How much money do you want to pay yourself? That's going to be your salary. $3,000 a month is what I put in there. You can change it accordingly. And then employees. How many employees are you going to have? Are you going to have 6 employees? And put 6. If the average pays for your employees could be 20, then put 20. If it's going to be 15, change it to 15. So whatever your employee pay is going to be on average, put it there. Number of employees you put there. And again, your employee information will update. Startup costs, first 2 lines, there's going to be how much money you need to get the party started. I am saying that on average you're going to be, or for this particular example, we're investing $25,000 out of pocket, and we're taking a loan out for $125,000. Excuse me. Now, when you put a number right here for a loan, this example, $125,000, it will automatically populate down here. And so this right here, it says that we're going to have a loan of $125,000. Then you have now the option to go ahead and change the interest rate. If our interest rate is going to be 5%, change it to 5. And then you also have an opportunity to change the term. And if it's 10, then put 10. If it's 8, then put 8. So whatever your term is, the payment will automatically update. And again, it'll roll through your financial projections. The rest of these costs right here are pretty much just the costs that you're going to be, your costs that you're going to have for your business. For these two lines, don't change those. Those are static titles, but you can go ahead and update your build out, your working capital, your work truck if you're going to have a work truck. Just whatever your costs are going to be right here. And then these darker cells, you can go ahead and change around the titles if you see fit, just to have your categories aligned with your startup cost. Next is going to be your monthly fixed cost. And then for these costs right here, these are fixed. These are static. So don't change the titles here, but you can change the dollar amounts here. So if you're going to have rent, put rent there. If you're not going to have it, if you're going to be working out of your truck or home office, then put 0. And then just, whatever your utilities are going to be, insurance, advertising, other, etc. Whatever those costs are going to be there. Next is going to be your tax rate. If your tax rate is going to be 20%, leave it there. If it's going to change it. And right here is going to be our growth rate. So your growth rate, you have opportunity to increase your growth rate for year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then finally, we already talked about your information, your loan information right here. So yeah, that's pretty much my magic trick right here. This is the financial model. Pretty short, sweet. It's to the point. You change the lines that are colored, and once you update that information, your pro forma financial projections will update accordingly. Now, once you're done with your pro forma financial projections, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your business plan in the Word document, and then you're going to want to go to the pro forma financial projections section, and you are going to want to get rid of the old pro forma financial projection, and then you are going to want to copy and paste the new projections into the Word document. And now you do that for your income statement, and then you do that for the 4 quarters for your first 12 months. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, well, actually, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, if y'all are interested in buying my Roofing Contractor Business Plan template, just go to qualitybusinessplan.com/roofing company business plan template. It is for sale on my website. If you do want a little bit more information about the tutorials, I do offer various tutorials for free. You can take a look at them before you purchase. Go to qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. If you don't want to mess around with tutorials and you don't want to mess around with templates, you just want somebody to write the business plan for you, then go to my website at qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan prices, number 3. And there I do have custom business plan packages available for customers to purchase. All right, so to wrap it up, as I said, if you do buy the Roofing Contractor Business Plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. It comes with the financial model that we just went through. There are some limitations, though. This is not compatible. So the Word document and the Excel file are not compatible with Google Docs, and they're not compatible with Apple products either. Also, if you have questions before you buy the Roofing Contractor template, if you have questions before you want to buy it, I'd be delighted to have a conversation with you. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My number is right here. Like I said, if you have questions before you buy it, let's have a conversation. It'll be fun. After you purchase the business plan template, then I would refer any questions to my business plan tutorials. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.